Punjab Haryana High Court has reversed the judgment of CBI court of Dera Chief Ram Rahim, in which Ranjit murder case was witnessed and judgment was announced. But today it's been reversed, and we have advocate of one of accused, Ravneet Singh Joshi. Mr. Joshi, how this what was the today's judgment, if you say, and what's its impacts on cases related to Ranjit murder case and other cases as well?
See, one of the crucial cases that have been there, one of them is Ranjit murder case against the Dera head. In that, it is a big relief for the Dera head today. There were 6 accused in this case. All have been acquitted by reversing the sentence passed by the CBI court today. So, there were broadly the evidence that is there in this Ranjit murder case is the basis of conviction in other cases as well. Broadly, the statement of Katta Singh or the reason, the motive that was there. So these things were interlinked, and today the decision has come, rightly appreciating the evidence that somehow was missed out by the CBI court below. So today the decision has come in which all the 6 accused that were there have been acquitted today.
What was the judgment of CBI court Panchkula, which made Ram Rahim and other 5 accused responsible for the murder and other things?
The decision of the CBI court was based on eyewitness accounts, some recoveries of the evidence, and on the basis of which life sentence was awarded to all the 6 accused in this case. And now that has been reversed, so all the 6 accused here have been acquitted. But out of the 6 accused, since the decision has come belated, it took almost 19 to 20 years for the trial to go. And during trial, one of the accused, Mr. Inder Sans, he passed away during the trial itself. And another accused, Mr. Jasbir Singh, he died while he was on parole while during the pendency of the appeal. So broadly, the 4 people were there. They were left. We were representing one of them, which is Sabdil Singh. He was Punjab police constable, and it was alleged that gunshots were fired by his service revolver. So all these people have come up, this decision has come up as a great news for them.
So was there a lack of evidence? What's your observation on it? And
see, during the investigation, CBI had put forth a theory that a 454 bore revolver was used, which was attributed to Sabdil Singh. But this revolver, service revolver that was attributed to Sabdil Singh, charges were framed on the basis of that only against Sabdil Singh. So that revolver was issued to him in way back in 1997. And due to some technical fault in the revolver itself, the revolver was resubmitted, returned back to the armory at Mansa by Sabdil Singh in 1999. The murder took place in 2022, so 3 years prior, and using that 2002. So 3 years prior, with the revolver which was already submitted back was being attributed on Sabdil Singh. And the weapon, that was 9 mm revolver that was recovered, actually recovered. When he submitted this revolver back, he was issued a 9 mm revolver and an AK-47, being a constable as guard with the Baba.
so why CBI court made it responsible to 6 of these accused, including Ram Rahim, on which behalf they considered them accused?
See, initially, father of the deceased, Ranjit Singh's father, Mr. Joginder Singh, he immediately after the murder, he lodges a complaint with the police saying that due to political rivalry, the local sarpanch of the village has got my son killed. So, initial allegations were this, that due to the political rivalry, my son has been killed by the local sarpanch. Later on, after a 3 months delay, he comes up with the theory that the Dera is involved and writes a letter to the Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court. Now, Punjab and Haryana High Court, taking cognizance of that letter itself at that time, directs the investigation of the case.
Which year it was?
That was in 2022 itself. So, after 4 months of the incident, he writes a letter to the Punjab and Haryana High Court Chief Justice. He takes cognizance of the letter and directs the investigation to be conducted by CBI. Now CBI reinvestigates the matter, brings in a theory. Now new aspects were added that Sabdil Singh and Jasbir Singh had visited the house of the deceased and had threatened the deceased with dire consequences. Whereas the father himself is an eyewitness. His the deceased uncle is also made an eyewitness in this case. But they, on several occasions, despite saying that we were well aware of Sabdil Singh and Jasbir Singh, were unable to identify them at the time of writing a letter to the Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court, and much belated their name have reflected.
Is there any observation how the murder took place? Is there any?
The allegations are that Ranjit Singh was working in the fields, and from both the directions there were indiscriminate firing by four people. So broadly what was required in the investigation was that there should have been four accused in this case who were firing. Out of those four, only two, Jasbir and Sabdil, were named. There had to be four weapons also of the same bore to be recovered. There is no such weapon recovered.
Reality is yet mystery.
Yes, it is still a mystery.
So will it impact other cases as well? Because rape case he's been convicted in rape case as well. Other cases are there. Political reflections are also there related to Ram Rahim. So do you see any impact of it?
See, one major evidence is that of Khatta Singh that was relied upon here. Now that evidence of Khatta Singh, the statement of Khatta Singh was also discredited by the Honorable High Court in this appeal. Also, it was stated that Ranjit is the one who wrote the anonymous letter in which rape case, the conviction has already been awarded. The appeals are pending in the High Court. So, if Ranjit was treated to be an writer of that anonymous letter, and that anonymous letter was treated as a reason behind murdering Ranjit Singh, now if Ranjit Singh murder has not been done by the Dera, then that theory with regard to anonymous letter also goes weak.
Will this impact other cases in which he's been?
Yes, indeed it will. Since the Ranjit murder case and the rape cases are somewhere interconnected, so there it would impact that case as well.
So it has a political reflection also, because in Haryana or Malwa region of Punjab do have following of Dera, and political wing of Dera seems to be active in polls.
See, these decisions come from the courts, which are completely immune and independent from the political scenarios. But it might have an impact because politicians don't refrain from using such things as a vote bank tactic. But somewhere in Haryana, elections have already bypassed, so this decision has came later after the voting in Haryana, but might have impact somewhere down the line in Punjab or other states.
So when we can expect a full detailed order? Today evening?
Probably today evening or a day in the next coming couple of days.
Right. So this was Ranjit Singh Joshi, who's been presenting one of the accused, and says the evidence that was presented seems to be baseless, on which the CBI court's judgment of Panchkula has been reversed in Punjab Haryana High Court. With video journalist Chander Ram, Aman Bhardwaj for India Today, Chandigarh.